everyday treats. You know I'm whipping up the flour, yeah, I'm whipping up the gas, whipping up everything, my food not trash. Hey, they call me Chef Steak, cooking the beats. They call me Chef Steak, cooking the treats. Yeah, they call me Chef Steak, I'm whipping the food. If you want some food, you gotta come with an attitude. I'm eating every day.
Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel, Party Foods by Chef Stay. And today, guys, for dinner, I'm making a bomb some salmon. I'm making honey glazed salmon, guys, for dinner. Have you guys had that before? This is very simple, delicious. I may have a lot of ingredients, y'all, but it's easy to make. So don't get scared, okay? So come on into my kitchen, guys. Come on. And today we're gonna have the salmon, and I'm gonna wash those with lemon. For my seasons, I'm gonna use paprika, black pepper, just a little sea salt, some thyme, garlic, and rub it down with a little olive oil. Now, when I make my glaze, my honey glaze for my salmon, I use brown sugar, honey, little dash of soy sauce, sriracha, make it a little spicy. To give it a little more sweet taste, I use my Thai sweet chili sauce. A lot of people don't use that, but this is my twist. I use lemon and butter. And now I'm gonna get back with you guys, and we're gonna get this party started. Okay guys, now it's time for us to season this salmon. So all the ingredients that I have right here is what I season the salmon. So I just mix it all together. So what I'm gonna do is drizzle just a little bit of olive oil on it. Just put it right there. And what I'm gonna do, just drizzle it on both sides. Because I love salmon, especially with a great flavor to it. You know how sometimes you go out and you want some salmon, you order it, and then they bring it to you and it just have no taste to it. Oh, I'll be so mad. I start to tell the chef what to do. So I add that on there. And what I'm going to do, these are all my seasons, as you guys can see right there. So I just mix them all together. So I add that to my salmon. And this is for the honey glazed salmon. And they were washed and clean, guys. And I wash them with lemon juice. So I just pat all my seasons in there real good. Let me wash my hands off because I want to add some more black pepper to it. So I add more black pepper. Gotta season it good, guys. Nobody want no bland food like it just came out the hospital. No, party chef. You know, I'll be making this food. What's happening to this food? Making it delicious. I'm just talking trash, guys. Okay, so you just do it like that. Make sure the seasons pat it, so make sure that the seasons are in there. And I let it sit for a few minutes. See how beautiful that looks? And it smells great, and it's not even cooked. Okay, guys? So make sure you add your seasons the right way. Add a little bit of olive oil, okay? Okay, guys, now it's time to add your butter to your pan. And I like the cast iron skillet, because what I'm going to do is sear it, and then I add it in the broiler for a couple of minutes. So I'm going to get my butter nice and hot. Start cutting it down because I don't want it to get too hot. Okay, melt my butter. And as my butter melting, I'll add my fresh garlic. Put in. Just stir it. Let me cut my heat up just a little more. I don't want to burn my butter because butter burns fast. Okay, so while that's cooking down, my lemon juice. Add just a little bit of that. Mix it all in. Let this get hot, guys. And then I'm going to add my honey glaze. And I have all the ingredients up here for you guys to see it. So I add my honey glaze. Mix that all in. Let it get nice and hot. Turn the heat up some more. Stir it. Mix it all together, guys. See how it's coming to a boil? Now I cut it down just a little bit. And this is the part where I'll add my salmon. Start drenching it with the sauce. It's so easy to make, guys. You drench it so all them flavors can all incorporate into your salmon. Okay? That one back. Continue to drench it. Now while this is cooking down, I'm going to add lemon and more of my lemon juice. So I add a few pieces of lemon in here. Like that, like so. And I'm going to put this in the oven, guys. So I'm just searing it, okay? So I need to cut it up just a little bit because I don't want to burn my sauce. Because it doesn't take long to cook your salmon. A piece of lemon in here, like that, like so. I'm going to add some more of my glaze. Look how delicious that look, guys. Oh boy, I cannot wait to eat dinner. And let me cut my oven on 350. Because I'm going to put it on broil. So let me take that off. I'm going to broil it and put it on low so it can warm up. And I continue to drench it with my season. Look how the honey glaze is starting to glaze up on it, guys. Isn't this delicious? I should have bought my black pepper over here, but I didn't. So I need to add a little bit of that to it. Y'all know how I do. And please, guys, tell your friends to subscribe to my channel, Party Foods by Chef Stay. I am making it what? Happen. So I'm going to add a little of my black pepper. Oh boy. Y'all tell me if this look good or not. Thumbs up, guys. Thumbs up. So I'm still letting it cook down. Keep on searing it. And you know, salmon cooks fast and you don't want to overcook it, but you want it nice and flaky with great flavor. And just to make your glaze, guys, honey, sriracha, you don't even need to do that little sauce, sweet sauce, guys. I have a problem with saying it. Y'all correct me in the comment box. Tell me how to say that the right way, okay? Spell it for me the right way, guys. Okay? And what I'm going to do is once my oven is preheated, I'm going to grill it under the broiler for about 5 minutes, guys. And it's going to be done. Okay, guys, now the salmon is done. Ooh, baby. Check it out. Look at that. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
I'm just talking trash, guys, but really, this is so delicious. Check it out. It is so beautiful, isn't it? So let me take this one. Okay, guys, this has been pleasure cooking his food today. So come on into my kitchen and look at my dinner. Okay, guys? Check it out. Come on in. Now we're gonna taste this delicious honey glazed salmon. And I have the garlic roasted mashed potatoes. And check that video out. And I give you all the instructions and the information about the recipe on that site as well. Broccoli, fresh broccoli, delicious. So let me just go on in, guys. Come on in. We just having a good time in here, laughing, acting crazy. I said bon appetit. Now let me check this mashed potatoes out first, okay? Now, guys, come on in. I'm tasting the salmon. Look how flaky the salmon is. It's not dried out. Check it out. When the eyes start rolling in the back of my head, that's letting y'all know that this is dynamite. As JJ used to say on Good Times. Oh my God, this salmon is so good, guys. Follow the ingredients. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Get the ingredients on this honey glazed salmon. Leave a comment and let me know how it tastes. Okay, guys? So, it's about time for me to end this video. Y'all got to get out of my kitchen. And it's time for me to do what? It's time for us to eat dinner. So thank you for joining us at Party Foods by Chef Stay. And see you next time.